Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to can use TRELLIS to Pixel3D to generate from 2D image like this 3D model. As you can see, this is my 3D model created by TRELLIS to Pixel3D, and I exported here to Blender, as you can see. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, download the ComfyUI is installed from the link on the description. After downloading this file, we have to right-click right here and extract file. After extracting this file, you can get this folder. Okay. First thing first, let's click here to ComfyUI install. Let's begin installing right now. Updating Git. Installing ComfyUI. Okay, fine. This installation of the ComfyUI is finished. Press OK to exit. Now let's go right here and let's update our ComfyUI. Before we start it, okay, now let's move to add-ons, Torch Pack, and install this version, Torch 2.8. Okay, double click here. It's installing right now. Okay, the installation of Torch is finished. Click your add-ons and go here and install Flash Attention. The installation is complete. Press the key to exit. Now let's install TRELLIS 2. Okay, the installation of TRELLIS 2 is completed. Press the key to quit. And now, the next thing I want to do is to add this file. Okay, we can download all those files and this file from the link on the description. Okay, copy this one right here and launch it. Hit run. Okay, fine. Now let's return here to ComfyUI is installed and run it with Flash Attention. And I start ComfyUI Flash Attention. Okay, now okay, now we need the workflow to test it. Okay, let's go right here. Okay, let's drag it here. As you can see, this is my workflow. I wanna add image here and want to convert to 3D model. Okay, let's search for an image. For example, Sony. Okay, let's choose an image. For example, this image. Save PNG file and go right here. Okay, and hit run. Okay, it's stopped right here because it's downloading this model right here. Once the downloading is finished, it's moved to next step. Let's see in the real time. Okay. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is the result of this 2D image. As you can see, it's fine. It looks good. This is how to convert 2D image to 3D model using TRELLIS Pixel3D GGUF. Okay, now let's export this image. Let's export it. Okay, as object. Okay, now let's go here. Cloud tools. Go to Blender. General. Select all and go here. Export, import object. Okay, download this one, ComfyUI. Okay, this is my Sonic. Let's see. Is texturized or not? Okay. You can add the texture manually in a Blender. As you can see, it's not having texture right now. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial. This is how to create 3D model from 2D image.